Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're diving into Visp and learning how to effortlessly remove equipment from a customer's account, whether they're upgraded, downgraded, or moved on. This process is super important for keeping your inventory organized and accurate. Don't worry, it's way easier than you might think. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be managing equipment like a pro in no time. Step 1. Access the subscribers list. First things first, let's head over to our trusty subscribers list. You usually find this in your left sidebar navigation. It's like a master directory of all your awesome customers. Step 2. Locate the customer. Now let's find a customer whose account we need to update. You can use the search bar to quickly find them by name or just scroll through the list. Once you've found them, click on the profile to open up all their details. Step 3. Find the equipment section. Alright, we're in the customer's profile now. Over in the top right hand side, you should see equipment section. This handy little section shows us all the gear currently assigned to this customer. Step 4. Select the equipment to remove. Time to remove that equipment. Just click on the specific item you want to remove from the customer's account. This will open up the equipment panel, which gives us all the details about that piece of equipment. Step 5. Access the equipment options. See that equipment header at the top of the panel? Look to the right and you'll see 3 little dots. That's our menu button. Click on it to reveal a bunch of options including Edit, Invoice Now, and the one we want, Unassign. Step 6. Choose the Unassign option. Click Unassign and Visp will double check that you really want to remove this equipment. It'll then ask you where you want to return the equipment to. Choose the right location, maybe your warehouse or storage unit. And Step 7. Save the changes. Last but not the least, hit that Save button to confirm the Unassign action. Boom! You've officially removed the equipment from the customer's account. It's back in your inventory, ready for its next adventure. And that's all there is to it. See? Super easy, right? With these simple steps, you can keep your customers' accounts and inventory perfectly organized. If you have any questions or want to learn more, reach out to your Visp client success team. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.